policy. What is that telling you?
So I think it's a very good sign, Aisha. Coming on first day of a fresh expiry, and that too with the anticipation that the markets were already going through almost 8 days of consecutive sell-off. So I think this comes as a very much of a positive surprise. What we should now see, I think, going forward is that even if the index stabilizes, do we see short covering across different sectors? So I think, for example, we've seen metals, etc., doing fairly well for themselves. PSU banking stocks, they did very well for themselves. But look at Friday's session. I think most of the PSU banking stocks were flat to negative, but the private sector banking stocks were positive. IT stocks made a comeback. So there was this tinge of short covering which was seen on Friday in terms of individual sectors. And when the market gains confidence slowly and gradually, that short covering spree generally increases or intensifies. That could propel the most of the underperforming sectors, and the three key sectors over here are the nifty IT, FMCG as well as the Realty index. So I think that's one major pocket to watch out for, and of course even the private sector banking stocks. So I believe that with the comeback on the bank nifty, the comeback on the index, I think now we should be looking at a spree of short covering as well as strength across all the performing sectors.
Okay, so must be a problem of plenty this morning in terms of stock-specific ideas.
Yeah, I think for a change, I think over the last 8 days, first day where we had to literally scuttle between the kind of stocks to pick. But then I've picked up two themes. So one is of course Tata Motors, expecting that this could be a big breakout for the stock going forward. May not be today, but I think positionally I would probably expect the stock to do fairly well for itself. So 750 could be the first target on the stock over the near term. Stop loss could be kept at 700. Axis Bank is something which I believe has been doing exceptionally well. With respect to the other large cap private sector banking names, the stock coming back into a breakout above 1150, 1160 mark where it closed on Friday. So would look out for 1200 now as a target for Axis Bank. Stop loss could be kept at 1145.